Hello everyone, today is Wednesday, December 15th. This video is going to focus on manipulation. Manipulation happens all the time. When the market is manipulated, you may decide to take a long trade or a short trade only to see it reverse and go against you. I'm going to show you what software we use to alleviate that. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. So the shaded areas that you see here that are currently green indicate not to go long. And I want to avoid taking a long trade once the market and the candles land in this area because the market may reverse on me. So it's a filtering mechanism, but it's also an opportunity to sell it or to go short, and the software will provide an opportunity to go short. Now the way that this works is once the market lands in these predetermined areas by the roadmap software, it takes 2 candles for the market. We use price action to give us an alert to go short, and there it was, roadmap short 46.2150. So the roadmap is indicating to go short because the market landed in this area. It did not go through that shaded area, that zone, indicating that there's profit taking and manipulation happening, and then as soon as it reverses off it, there's an opportunity to go short. Now there's more rules involved with this. We teach this with mentorship. The roadmap software is included as part of the mentorship program, so you get the software with a lifetime license. But essentially we want to make sure that we're not going against these manipulated areas. Now the market is starting to go down and heading down. So what does that mean? It means if you're short, you can trail a stop, you can hold on to your short trade, you're probably already in profit territory, and right now you see a shaded area happening as the market is going down, indicating that this area, this price around 46.14 is going to be an area where the market may reverse and turn around and go up. So as a trader, if you're trailing a stop, use it as a target. As a trader, if you're deciding to go short, let's say that you have the Trade Scalper or the Atlas line or any other method that you're using on your own, and you say, okay, great opportunity to go short, my moving averages have crossed, everything is looking to the sell side, MACDs. But instead, what really happens is unless it penetrates through the zone, you may encounter manipulation, which is going to be profit taking. The market may turn around and reverse and come back up. We want to be aware of that as traders. So remember, the idea behind the roadmap and the software is not just to follow software. It's to say, I know this area is going to be a problem. I don't want to be a seller here. Let it at least go through the shaded area so we know that this zone, this area, is no longer valid as a manipulated area, and then I can continue to go short or I can go long, I can do whatever I want. But in this case, you can see that the market landed in this area. Now it's immediately turning around, pausing, and stopping. This is extremely important as a trader, not to go and follow those moving averages where you're thinking, or Bollinger Bands and all that good stuff, where a lot of traders think what a great opportunity it is now to sell it, and instead what happens is the market stops and begins to reverse. This is what we teach here at DayTradeToWin. If you have any questions and you'd like to join the next mentorship class starting later this month, email support@daytradetowin.com, or you can go ahead and visit the daytradetowin.com page. We have an information package available where you can find out if the program is right for you. Until next time, I'll see you at the next video. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit daytradetowin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.